After a successful test, it's time to take the next step to getting long-lasting relief with Axonics Therapy. Instead of using an external stimulator worn on the body, like during the test, the long-term therapy is delivered by a small stimulator placed in the body. The procedure to place the device is a simple outpatient procedure, and patients typically go home on the same day. A thin wire, called a lead, is placed near the sacral nerve and connected to the stimulator, which is placed just beneath the skin in the upper buttocks area. Once connected, the stimulator provides pulses that travel down the lead into your sacral nerve. These pulses activate the sacral nerve, which is how the therapy can help normalize communication between your brain, bladder, and bowel. After the procedure, the stimulator is set up by trained experts, so the pulses are comfortable and hardly noticeable. Instructions are also provided on how to use the remote control, which allows for the therapy to be turned up or down at home if needed. With Axonics, you'll have a dedicated support team available to answer any questions about managing the therapy. This includes your treating clinician, your local Axonics team, and the Axonics customer support team. For the first few weeks following the procedure, it is important to avoid certain activities, like strenuous exercise. This will be reviewed before and after the procedure.